Happy to see you everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the officers-like qualities. Officers-like qualities and leadership qualities and the qualities of heroes are almost the same. Instead of telling almost the same, I can tell 100% same. If you are a real hero, whatever the quality you possess, you are fit to be a defense force officer. If you are defense force officers, you can become a leader of anywhere, anything. Because these three, hero, defense force officers and the leader, these three are supposed to have same qualities, right? There are 16 officer-like qualities. This is what my seniors told me. Otherwise, there are so many. Out of them, very important qualities are 16. In 16 qualities, the first one I always like is integrity. Integrity is really very, very important quality of an defense force officers, leader or hero, whomever it is. Now let us talk only about army officers or defense force officers. When the integrity is there, there won't be any partiality. There won't be any discrimination. There won't be any kind of quarrel or misunderstanding. That means integrity. Everyone is same. In India, having so many caste, creed, language, states, but from everywhere, the individuals are joining in our defense forces. So there will be a family. Among the family, there are many languages, many caste, many creed, but they remain as a true family. That is no doubt. And you see this dress, it is Naga's dress basically, Naga's traditional dress. Someone, my Sambandhi Colonel Deshmukh presented me, and I am using it. I am happy to use it. Like that Naga, Leh Ladakh, Ladakhis ka dress. Wherever I go, Rajasthani dress. So this is a fun. Serving in the army, it's a fun actually. So there is no variation, there is no discrimination among the individuals, because we all are one. That is called integrity. The next quality which again I like is sacrifice. Sacrifice. A person who is having the quality of sacrificing is the best person, I can say, because he cannot be the selfish. He cannot do anything for his own, and there won't be any selfish motive for him to work. This is what the leader wants. This is what the defense force officers want. So sacrificing for others, my happiness, my relaxation, I am sacrificing for you people. Why? I just want motivate you to join in defense forces. It's for your benefit as well as for the benefit of the nation. So the sacrificing is the another best quality. Then one more quality, it's equally best, is initiative. Initiative is the quality when you are not asked to do something, but you are doing it, which nobody is thought of doing something. You are doing and calling people, come, let us plant trees. All are keeping quiet. Only you are pulling the people. You are calling the people. You are telling them, yeah, why not we plant trees? Nowadays, the oxygen we are buying. The air we are buying air. Oxygen we are buying. Why? If you have enough trees around us, we need not to have buy oxygen. So oxygen, not only oxygen, the trees are giving other so many benefits. So let us plant trees. This is called initiative. Without asking anybody, without your own motto, means without any personal interest, you are working for your society, for your organization, for your nation. That is called initiative. Then of course, for all the defense force officers supposed to have is the courage and brave. The bravery is very important to a soldier. Bravery. Then of course once again the planning. The planning is very very important in the defense forces. Every activities of you, every act of you will be planned beforehand. Then it will be executed. Then it comes very important one. It should not be stopped again. Helping. Even though you are a defense officer, the ultimate goal is to kill the enemies, protect our nation. But you are a human being. You are a kind-hearted, soft-spoken, kind-hearted. So the helping is very important. Then of course for a commander, the clear-cut order is supposed to be given. So you need a power of expression. You are supposed to have power of expression. When you have power of expression, then only you can convey whatever you have, whatever here, whatever you want your soldiers should do. Where you are going, what the task you got, and what are you supposed to do. All these things, when you give the clear order, then only the subordinates, they come to know what you are telling. Then of course, another important quality is learning. Learning. Your learning should not be stopped at any point of time. Every day an officer he is keeping himself updated around what's happening. That knowledge about his surrounding, knowledge about his nation, knowledge about his profession, knowledge about his entire world is very very important. If being a commander, if you do not know what is happening around you, you cannot instruct or guide your subordinates. So this is nothing but you have to learn. You have to grasp what's happening here and there. You have to get that knowledge and update yourself and update your subordinates. These are the, that's why this is very important quality. Decision taking, of course, in a small level to the big level, decision taking is one more best quality supposed to be. If you are not taking a decision, then you cannot go ahead. When you take decision, that decision is a correct decision, in a quick decision, supposed to be a quick decision, then there won't be loss of time. If the decision was good, your task can be accomplished in a successful manner. So decision taking is another important quality. It is for your personal life also. Okay. And see, these are very normal quality only. Still, I just want to highlight here. See, one must be always having sense of humor. One should have sense of humor. When you have your sense of humor, what will happen? You remain happy. And Jollywood fellow. When you are Jollywood fellow, your nature will be liked by your subordinates. So automatically you will be one among the crowd. Of course, I already told you, the defense force is one family. But there is, of course, there is a rank structure. As per the rank structure, the task will be there. Relaxation or means the benefits. So many things are there. So when you are Jollywood, when you like your own people as you consider them as you, then of course you are the best commander. So now, if there are few more qualities is still. I have to tell you, I will tell you, but this video become more than 10 minutes means it's difficult to upload. I'm getting it done by my mobile camera only. So let us go slowly. Now so far whatever I told you, you note it down. Watch my video again and again, note it down. Any doubt you call me 963-23-777-22. What we do? in my next video, I will complete the 16 OLQ officer like qualities. Whatever told you now, other than this, another few are left. And that, after telling that, then I will give you certain examples for the leadership qualities, for officer like qualities, right? Okay. Then we will meet once again soon. Till then, I will take leave. Bye. Jai Hind.